Hello, and welcome to the Daily Self-Care channel. Did you know that daily use of apple cider vinegar and baking soda can have amazing benefits for your health? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. If this somehow interests you, subscribe to the channel and leave your like to support our work. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which helps balance the body's pH and can improve digestion. It can also help control blood sugar levels, improves heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and helping to eliminate arterial plaque. Apple cider vinegar also aids in weight loss. The ancient Egyptians used apple cider vinegar as an antiseptic at least 8,000 years ago. It was also prescribed and recommended in ancient Greece as a healing elixir. Baking soda, on the other hand, is known for its alkalizing properties, which means that it helps balance the body's pH and fights acidity. It can also help relieve stomach problems, such as heartburn and reflux, and can even help control bad breath. In addition, when combined, apple cider vinegar and baking soda make an effective solution for natural cleaning at home. They can be used to clean windows, bathrooms, kitchens, and more. So add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of baking soda to your daily routine and start enjoying the amazing benefits they can offer. Here's a suggested recipe for use. You will need 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup of warm water, 250 milliliters. Mix the ingredients in a mug and stir well. Drink this on an empty stomach twice a day, at least 1 hour before meals. You can add some pure honey or lemon juice to make the mixture more flavorful if you wish. Be sure to eat a piece of fruit soon after to remove the bitter taste. Some of the health benefits that apple cider vinegar and baking soda have include: balancing the body's pH. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which helps balance the body's pH, while baking soda is known for its alkalizing properties. Digestion. Apple cider vinegar can improve digestion. Blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar can help control blood sugar levels. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. Relief from stomach problems. Baking soda treats painful stomach acid problems, while apple cider provides enzymes that help your stomach heal and regulate its acidity in the future. Controlling bad breath. Baking soda can help control bad breath. In conclusion, daily use of apple cider vinegar and baking soda can have significant health benefits, including balancing the body's pH, improving digestion, controlling blood sugar levels, weight loss, relieving stomach problems, controlling bad breath, and natural cleansing. It is important to keep in mind that these are self-help methods, and a combination of these with the treatment plan advised by your healthcare provider will be even more effective. To learn more about the benefits of natural foods and other natural health issues, check out our other videos. Thanks so much for watching. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you lots of health. See you soon.